Visiting Vice President Mike Pence, talking about the strategic patience with North Korea is over. That's been the key North Korea policy for the previous administrations in Washington, and declaring that it's over. And of course, this after North Korea tested yet another missile on Sunday. Yes, it failed, exploding some seconds after the launch, but certainly succeeded in terms of getting the global attention and also getting U.S. President Donald Trump's tweets over the weekend. And one interesting tweet over the weekend coming from U.S. President Donald Trump was that emphasizing China's role in all this, talking about why would I call China a currency manipulator if they're working with us on the North Korean problem? We will see what happens. So I think emphasis on China's role in all this has been what sets the Trump administration's North Korea policy from other administrations in the U.S. in the past. And here is Vice President Mike Pence talking about how he's confident now that Beijing will help out. To take a listen.
Now, while issues like that remain, the President and I have great confidence that China will properly deal with North Korea. But as President Trump made clear just a few short days ago, if China is unable to deal with North Korea, the United States and our allies will.
And this emphasis, of course, comes out of this understanding or belief that Washington does need Beijing's help in putting Pyongyang in check. Here is National Security Advisor to the Trump administration, McMaster, speaking on ABC's This Week. Take a listen.
We're going to rely on our allies like we always do, but we're also going to have to rely on Chinese leadership. I mean, North Korea is very vulnerable to pressure from the Chinese. 80% of North Korea's trade comes from China. All of their energy requirements are fulfilled by China.
And I think we've been seeing some interesting reports or responses out of Beijing over the last few days or so since the summit between the leaders of the United States and China in Mar-a-Lago, Florida. Some suspending flights, the only existing one between Beijing and Pyongyang by Air China, and also returning some coal imports from North Korea back to North Korea, and also suspending some tourism packages, so basically blocking Chinese tourism to North Korea. So was there some kind of a big deal between the two leaders in Florida is the question. And how far is Beijing willing to go, and how well Kim Jong-Un will take all this is the question.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.